So thank you very much for taking part in this course. I hope you've had a lot of fun. And as a little goody gumdrop, go ahead and take a look at my courses page. And if you take a look at my courses page, you'll be able to see that I do offer some paid for courses. And if you type in Avalex 5050, you will get 50% off the price of any premium course that I have to offer. That's Avalex 5050, 50% off. You will be chuffed because you get another course that will teach you some new skills. And on top of that, you are helping support me in producing some free courses for you. So thank you very much. And I always appreciate students and people giving me feedback and so forth. So thank you very much. And thank you for being dedicated enough to watch this entire thing all the way through. Thank you.